This is that DS Citrus Zester. So it's pretty nice. It does come with a guard right there. This one just pops out. Usually they slide in and out. This one doesn't appear to slide. It's kind of just pops in. Like that one right there. Slides in and out. But we'll see. You do get some nice zest. I'll do an orange real quick. Just rub it across the top, get that top layer. And you got some orange zest. Pretty much just run it through that top, get that top layer. Get some nice longer strands. So it's pretty nice, well worth it.